Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a jewelry related video for you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my brand new ring set from the jewelry brand Maxine. I do want to give Maxine Jewelry a big shout out for collaborating with me on today's video. They kindly sent me a beautiful ring set, you guys, that is the most gorgeous and stunning wedding ring and wedding band that I think are perfect for travel and just perfect to wear every day if you don't want to wear your expensive diamond ring all the time. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. I absolutely have been loving my ring. So if you guys are interested in knowing what I got from Maxine Jewelry, and if you're interested in learning more about Maxine Jewelry, then make sure to keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I want to start off with the packaging before we even jump into the ring itself. So to start, Maxine Jewelry will always send you like a beautiful gift bag, which I think is perfect if you're making a purchase that's not for yourself and maybe you want to gift it to a friend or a family member. So I absolutely love that about them. So I'll tell you guys about what comes inside of the bag. So of course you have your rings and it'll always come in a beautiful box. This is a beautiful leather box and the inside is velvet. You guys are getting a little sneak peek. I will zoom you guys in. This ring set is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So depending on what you get, since I got a set, I got more of like a wider box, but I do believe they have shorter, smaller boxes for single rings as well. Inside you'll get a silver seal bag, which is perfect for making sure your jewelry lasts the longest. It's just a great way to protect your new rings or whatever it is that you purchase from Maxine Jewelry. It also comes with a silver polishing cloth, and in the back here it says that it is made out of cotton, and it also has silver cleaner and anti-tarnish agents in the cloth, which is amazing. This is really good to protect your jewelry as well. Lastly, you'll get a little booklet which basically talks all about their return and exchange policy, and it also shares a bunch of beautiful new designs that they have and their best sellers. So it's just a great little booklet to browse through. Alright, you guys, so now for the big reveal. I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys the beautiful ring set that Maxine Jewelry sent me. So they sent me this gorgeous, exquisite 2-carat cushion cut women's wedding ring set in sterling silver. Like, do you guys see how beautiful this ring set is, you guys? It's absolutely gorgeous. I just absolutely love the details that are in this ring, you guys. I love the band on both of them. It kind of gives me more of like a bubble effect, and I just love that. And you can see there's studs around the base of the diamond, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. I love that little touch. One thing I love about Maxine Jewelry is just how affordable it is, you guys. Like, this gorgeous ring set is actually only 159 USD, and actually currently right now it is on sale for 129, which I think is amazing. I just love their designs. They put so much care into the details. Like I said, the base of the diamond does have studs around the rim, which I think is just beautiful. It's basically like a hidden halo, and I just love that. I think it's gorgeous. So I do want to give you guys a little bit of background on the product itself and what it's made of, just so you guys have a better understanding. So the metal used to create these rings is 925 sterling silver, hence the silver cleaning cloth that they give to you. So this product has rhodium in it, and it's also nickel free, which is really great. So you're probably wondering, what is the stone in the center? Like, is it cubic zirconia? Is it moissanite? Is it an actual actual diamond. I mean, we wish, but it's not. The gem type is actually a Sona simulated diamond. So this is basically a much more affordable kind of stone to get, but it really mimics a diamond, and it just has so much shine and just so much sparkle in it. So the center stone color for my Sona diamond is of course white sapphire, and this is a 2 carat. So they do have a bunch of different sizes, but this one is 2 carat, which I think is honestly perfect for my hand size. I do have quite small hands, so I don't like too big of a diamond. So that is just a little bit of background and details on the rings itself and how they're made and what they're made of, like the material. So yeah, you guys, I'm absolutely in love with my rings. I feel like they're perfect for travel. My husband and I do travel quite often, and usually I don't feel comfortable taking my wedding ring just because it's so valuable. So I'm definitely going to be using this set. If you guys are interested in checking out Maxine jewelry for yourself, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys. They are currently having a sale on their website where they have buy one get one free, and they also have lots of sales here and there. Like my set right now is on sale, like I mentioned. I believe it's like 19% off. So they have lots of sales, you guys. If you're not really a ring person, that's okay. They don't only sell rings, they also sell earrings and necklaces. So definitely check out their website. I'm sure you'll find something you love. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.